Looking to receive Bitcoin directly in your Cash App? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to find your Bitcoin address on Cash App, so you can share it with anyone and start receiving Bitcoin in just seconds. Stick around until the end because I'll also share an important tip to make sure your Bitcoin gets delivered safely. First, open your Cash App on your phone. On the home screen, look for the Bitcoin tab. It's usually near the bottom, along with the banking and investing tabs. Tap on Bitcoin. Once you're inside, scroll down until you see your Bitcoin address section. Tap on it to reveal your full Bitcoin address. You'll see a long string of letters and numbers. This is your unique wallet address. To make sharing easy, just hit Copy Address. You can now paste it anywhere. A text message, email, or even a QR code if you're sharing in person. Now, a couple of important notes. If you don't see the Bitcoin tab, you may need to verify your identity. Cash App usually asks you to upload a photo ID. It's quick and typically approved within 24 hours. Only send Bitcoin to this address, not Ethereum, not Dogecoin. Or you could lose your funds permanently. Once you receive Bitcoin, you can sell it right inside Cash App and instantly move the money to your Cash App balance for spending or withdrawal. And that's it. You've got your Bitcoin address ready to go. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on Cash App, Bitcoin, and digital finance tips. Check the description for more guides and special links to help you get started with crypto the right way.